everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to make the elephant toothpaste. So it's a foamy science experiment, so it's epic and it produces a kind of oxygen and stuff. Still, it's great. So what the ingredients we need are potassium permanganate, and we have hydrogen peroxide, which is H2O2. This is hard to find, still I found one, and this is KMnO4 potassium permanganate. So I have used this in most of my videos of science experiment and it worked a lot, and it's purple in color. So let's begin to the experiment. So first of all, I'm using dish soap. You can use liquid soap or any soap you want, and this is good because it absorbs all the air inside this coming out, or when we add this to the gas will form and it will be like a bubbling and explosion, but it won't just be a foamy experiment until we add the liquid soap. So we have that right here, and we have hydrogen peroxide. So first of all, I'm having a measuring cup, and I took 100 ml of water, not approximately 100 ml of water, some like 80 or 70 is enough. So I'm having the spoon to get some potassium permanganate from here, opening it right there. It looks a bit brownish, but when you add it to water, it turns something like purple, which is kind of epic. I like purple. So I'm going to use this spatula to take some potassium permanganate KMnO4 powder, crystals of course, and gently add it in. So I need something like 2 because it should be enough concentrated for the foamy experiment to begin. So everything's spilling off still. Gotta add a bit more, I guess. Yeah, epic. So I'm just gonna keep this closed for now. It's not closing. Oh yeah, it's closed. So I'm keeping it aside and keeping the spoon and just taking the stuff out. And we have this glass for just pouring this in, and we have this, and we should just keep mixing it until it's dissolved. So it might take about a minute. So I'm taking my liquid soap right here. It's a bit yellowish still, it's foamy. So I'm pouring it into this, and nothing is dangerous right here, and it's only dangerous when you add this hydrogen peroxide. It turns hot and the oxygen gets spreads out, and just completely adding this because I want it to be foamy, and a bit more to go. So first of all, taking my safety precautions, I'm adding this to a separate glass so that when I don't pour it directly, it would hit the bottle and this bottle will just blow up. So I'm just keeping it on another glass. Exact amount I need. It's something like almost 100 millimeters. So adding it carefully. So I think perhaps that must be enough. So I don't think I should add this much. Still, I can't just pour it off. So here begins the elephant toothpaste experiment. I have already stamped the pin on where I would begin the experiment in the description. So we have this potassium permanganate solution with liquid soap right here, and this is 25% hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. Going in, I should just move away as suddenly I pour it in. Just look at that. It's kind of epic. I think I should have a bit more of the liquid soap so that it won't be a bubbling up like that. Still, it's a perfect experiment, and I could have used yeast instead, but still it would be a bit lesser. And this is, as I told, 25% of hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, and it's also hot. I really recommend you don't to touch it. If you touch it, your hands are gonna burn because it's kind of more than 100 degrees Celsius right now, and you should at least wait 5 minutes. Just look at the water boiling right here, because it's so hot. So take your safety precautions and do it, as well as you can touch, but only after 5 minutes. And it's kind of a foamy experiment. It could have been more foamy if I added 35% of hydrogen peroxide, and would have just burst off and it would be more dangerous. So I didn't take that up as a challenge. So if you want me to do a 35% hydrogen peroxide, comment down below. I will do that next month or something. So like this video if you like this experiment and it's still forming up. So also subscribe to my channel and comment down below how much you like it, and if you want me to do the 35% hydrogen peroxide one, which will kind of explode. So thanks for watching this foamy experiment, and now it's been something like 2 minutes, and I think it's a bit cold at the edges, so I can kind of touch it. Still, it's hot, bit hot. Just look at that. Oh, it's hot. It's kind of really hot still. I've already done this experiment, but I didn't record, and it was not recorded, so it kind of turned up red. So it was kind of great. So subscribe to my channel and see you guys in my next video. Bye.